build your fan phase. You can start by connecting with friends and family and current clients or business assessment and investing them to fans of your company Facebook page. However, Facebook user becomes a fan of your business. They are a friend on Facebook will see a message in their home page and have the opportunity to become a fan of your page as well. Create a dialogues, create a compelling contact and in creation on your Facebook page is the best way to interface best way to entire Facebook user to become a fan of your page. The goal should be that turn away from the typical monologues of main term making about towards creating a dialogue with customers. Offer a special deal. Another way to in encourage production is to offer special promotions available only to fans of your Facebook page. You can send message to all of the fans of your page with special promo code for free vibe or in invention to exclusive event. Then use the wall or notes section to publicize the winner of the promotion. Once your Facebook page begins to develop of following, it is currently to continuously update it with the new event and news to continue build your fans base and keep current fans interested and agreed. So in conclusion, don't be afraid to get and join community in create with your customers and most appointedly listen to what you they are saying about you, your organization and your companies. Learn more about milestone social media service and social media